Engraving individual pieces one by one is slow, inconsistent, and a waste of time. The ImagR Tile feature fixes all of that. First, head to ImagR in the main menu to prepare the image. I am using One Click. Once One Click is open, upload your image. Since I am engraving wooden keychains, I select wood as my material. I set the height to match my keychain dimensions, and the width adjusts automatically to keep the right proportions. For my CO2 laser with a compound lens, I am using 318 dpi. Click Prepare Image and ImagR handles the conversion fully automatically. And here is our result. Perfectly prepared. I download the image as a PNG. Now I switch to Toolset in the main menu. Once the toolset is open, I search for tile using the search function and open the feature. Here I upload the processed image. In my case, I change the rows to 1 and the columns to 4. I set the spacing to 50 pixels to create a gap between the individual images. I confirm my settings with the Apply button and download the result. Then I import the image into my laser software. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, I am using 120 millimeters per second, 15% maximum power, and 1% minimum power. It is important that pass-through is enabled, so lightburn does not reprocess the image. That is all there is to it. Now we can start the engraving. I have created a simple template where I can place the individual keychains. I start the process and all 4 keychains are engraved simultaneously, perfectly positioned in a single pass. Once the engraving is done, I can either replace the keychains with new ones or flip them over as I am doing here. I start the process again and engrave the second side. And here is our finished keychain, engraved on both sides, perfectly positioned, with every detail sharp. With the tile feature, you can process large quantities of different products with minimal effort and maximum consistency. Create your tiles today at imag-r.com and let ImagR turn a tedious one-by-one process into an efficient, repeatable workflow, completely free.